Vegetarian Day is celebrated on October 1st each year to promote the health and environmental benefits of a vegetarian lifestyle. This important day aims to raise awareness about the ethical, environmental, and health reasons for choosing a vegetarian diet. The history of World Vegetarian Day dates back to 1977 when the North American Vegetarian Society designated October 1st as the annual celebration to promote the benefits of vegetarianism. Since then, the day has been celebrated globally with events, seminars, and educational activities to encourage people to embrace a plant-based diet. Vegetarianism not only reduces the environmental impact of animal agriculture, but also promotes animal welfare and can lead to improved health outcomes. On this day, people around the world are encouraged to try vegetarian meals, educate themselves about the benefits of a plant-based diet, and advocate for a more sustainable and compassionate food system. Whether you are a long-time vegetarian or just considering making the switch, World Vegetarian Day is a perfect opportunity to learn more about the positive impact of vegetarianism on our planet and health.
Thank you for watching. If you like the video, please like, share, and subscribe our channel.